Hey everybody, Matt here from Matt's Trains and Tractors, and today is Tuesday, March 24th, and it was my first day of virtual classes, and I know a lot of you guys are, I bet almost all of you guys, if not all of you guys, are in quarantine, or you guys have to go to virtual classes, and have like virtual classrooms and stuff like that, but it's not that hard. I'm going on an A and B day rotation schedule, and I'll only have really the first half of the day's worth of classes, so it really won't be that bad. It's just going to be different, and I bet all of you guys are getting used to it. So one big thing that I really want to announce, but before I announce that, I want to say this one thing. Go subscribe to my friend Carter Sedoti. I'm not really sure how to pronounce the last name, but his name is Carter Sedoti on YouTube. First link in the description below. And you know, he's not just the only one out there. I'm sure a lot of people, if not everyone's, a little traumatized or unsettled about this whole pandemic and quarantine situation, and he's 3 subscribers away from 30, and you saw how big of a deal it was for me when I hit 30 subscribers. So go subscribe to him. He could really use the support, and just subscribe to each other, because everyone needs the support. Alright, I got some big news for you guys, and I'm announcing it. I never said in any of my previous videos that I was going to announce something big, but I'm going to announce it. So here we go. Big news in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so here's the big news. What you're looking at right there is a trestle bridge of a beautifully constructed G-guage layout. G-guage means garden gauge, and this is my backyard. It's not really a garden, but G-guage is meant for outdoor model railroading. So the previous owner of this house was a huge model railroader, and he just so happened to have like one of the best G-guage layouts like in the whole state of New Jersey. And we've been wanting to get it going, and we started doing some cleanup a couple years ago, but we kind of took a break from that a little bit. And my dad and I were talking today, and we're like, you know what? We really got to get this G-guage going, because if we don't do it this summer, we're never going to do it. And so I'm proud to present to you guys the new series, which I think is going to be big. And I know I only have 33 subscribers. I want to thank you guys for that. But this new series, G-guage, it's going to be a great series. I'm going to document everything. I'm still trying to figure out when the first episode's going to be. The next week and a half looks like rain, and I'm still going to be getting acclimated to my virtual classes, and I'm sure all of you guys are still getting acclimated. The reason why today was my first day was because I actually just got off of spring break. I know my school had spring break early, so that's why I kind of had a lot of time to upload stuff. But anyway, I'll give you a quick little tour of the layout right now, and this series is going to be so much fun. We're going to have episodes, I'm going to document stuff, and special people are going to join us, like Connecticut Railfan. He's my cousin, and so we usually meet up for a couple weeks in the summertime. He'll be featured on this channel, and he'll be doing some vids with us. Yeah, some great people are going to help us with this, and we're going to get going on it within the next 2 weeks. I'll give you a quick little tour, but just going to say this one thing. Within about the next week or so, I'm going to be posting an update letting you guys know when the first episode's going to be, and all of these episodes are either going to be live streamed or premiered. So it's definitely going to be a lot of fun, and I'm really excited, and I want you guys to be excited because it's going to be great. Let's just get to the quick little tour and then get hyped for G-guage. Alright, so the tracks are somewhere in here, it actually makes a left turn over here. I'm not sure if you can see the tracks. Some dirt overflowed and makes a turn over there. So this is at the top left corner, right? And then it goes there. And then it makes a little cut under the deck, and it pops out on the other side. So we'll see that pop out, but right now we're just gonna trace this back, and this is just like a little loop. But anyway, look at all this stuff we're gonna have to clean up. So this is basically gonna be I'm gonna say at least a 2-month before and after big project. Now here's the best part. Look at this. Tell me that's not the most beautiful work of wood you ever saw. Now we're definitely gonna have to make some repairs to this. I mean, the bridge is very, very stable, and it doesn't even look like it's rotting that much. It is a very, very nicely built truss bridge, and yeah, you can see one of the things are missing here. But anyway, what's really big is that there's a waterfall that flows all the way down to the bottom. We'll get there. But how cool is that, right? I mean, the waterfall literally goes all the way down, and the train goes over the waterfall. So, I mean, this guy was super serious. He was making super authentic and real stuff like that. So anyway, here's that pop out I was talking to you guys before. See it? That's where we were, where the dirt overflowed, and it just comes through the underneath of the deck like that. And then these two tracks, they kind of go up into a double track. And look at all this stuff we got to do. I mean, guys, I was planning on doing some work this afternoon, and then I said, you know what, let me document it and make it into a YouTube series. So then it goes underneath the deck. And here's where things are going to get interesting. And you just gotta hope that I don't get ticks. 'Cause I'm not sure how I can see in there. One track goes to the left, and the other one goes somewhere over the rainbow. And I'm actually just noticing this now. Look. You see right there, we got a hook there and another hook right up there. That's a little door right there. It's probably so you can pop in and out. Yep, so we'll get there in a second. So the waterfall is here, and it just goes down. Then we have another waterfall pop out, and it goes here, and then it goes underneath this rock, which is a fake rock, and I've tricked out a lot of people with that, and I've made it look like I'm really, really strong. I'm strong, but I don't think I'm that strong. Oh, guys, yeah, this is a staircase my uncle and I built. How about that, yeah? Boom. Bada bop. It's pretty sturdy, but it's not the sturdiest. So, let's see if we can see the tracks. Looking through the deck right now. I'm not sure if I see any track. You can see them over there where they go in. I have a feeling they're all covered up by these leaves. So this episode is going to get pretty intense, but trust me, I'm going to make it the best I possibly can for you guys. But anyway, like I said before, within the next week or so, I'm going to be posting a little update saying when the first episode will be. So that update's only going to be about 30 seconds. I'm just going to have to check the weather because I don't want to do this in the rain. But that was a quick little tour. And there it is. Yep. So listen, guys, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe because it's only going to keep getting better. And, yep, trying to work with the sun here because I don't like the glare. But anyway, stay tuned for an update within the next week. or so, and that update's only going to be about like 10-30 seconds long, and that's just going to say when the first episode is going to be. And I think all the episodes are either going to premiere or do a live stream. I'm still working on live streaming. You can't do it from the app, but I might be able to do it with my iPad from online. So I'm Matt from Matt's Trains and Tractors. Go subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss a single video, and you're always notified when videos are posted. And guys, get ready for G-guage. I'm Matt, and I'll see y'all in the next video, which will be an update, so stay tuned for that update.